Welcome to this Zonal keyboard application video for the Lumissil IS31SE5117 evaluation kit. In this demonstration, sensors are connected to the evaluation board's accessory header and have been laid out to create 3 zones of proximity detection. These proximity sensors can wake up and illuminate targeted zones of the keyboard for uninterrupted typing while keeping the keyboard in a power-saving mode when not in use. The sensors can be individually tuned with our free software application that allows you to assign pins, calibrate the sensors, apply various noise filters, assign rules and functions to the GPIO, enable automatic sleep mode, and much more. The SE series of capacitive touch sensors feature up to 24 keys with proximity and liquid level sensing capabilities, an actively driven shield output to cancel the effects of raindrops and liquid spills, automatic low power sleep mode, a melody generator to drive a speaker or haptic feedback, configurable inputs and outputs, and an I2C interface for the host processor. Visit our website for more information, and thanks for watching.